Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing credentials and tooling. Sign into your Apple developer account and enable MusicKit. This gives you entitlement to use the API. Next, create a MusicKit private key. Record the key ID and team ID immediately because you will need both to generate tokens. Once done, install Node or Swift tooling to run sample scripts and securely store the private key in an environment variable or keychain so your app can request developer tokens without exposing secrets. You now implement authentication. Generate a developer token as a JWT signed with your private key. Include proper headers and a short expiration to limit risk. Once a developer token exists, prompt the user to sign in and exchange the developer token for a user token using MusicKit.js or the client SDK so you can access personalized endpoints. Make sure to attach tokens to requests in the authorization header. This lets you call catalog, library, and storefront APIs securely and with the correct scoping. You finish by wiring requests and playback into your app. Use catalog endpoints for search, browse, and fetch metadata. Include the storefront query to target a region. For playback, call MusicKit playback APIs to play items and mirror playback state in your UI and to handle interruptions. If something breaks, first confirm tokens aren't expired and that user and developer tokens are paired. Then verify cores and the storefront parameter. If problems persist, rotate keys and test with a minimal request to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.